Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus, minus, multiplication. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is minus 59, B is 19, C is 29 and D is 79. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now, let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. As you can see on the screen, we will discuss here two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And if we talk about the rule, so rule says B for bracket. It means that if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. Step number 2 is you have to see the power of any number if your expression contains any number which has the power. So you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3 is you have to solve division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence. You can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now, move forward to solve the given expression. As you can see, here we will discuss BODMAS and PAMDAS. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go, we will write given expression which is this one. So we will write this one as it is and this becomes the power. Now we have to solve this expression. So according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, we have to solve the bracket. First we have to solve the bracket, or you can say parenthesis. So here we have two brackets. One is this one and other one is this one. So first of all, we will solve first bracket. Inside first bracket, we have two terms which is 2 raised to power 3 and plus 8. So first we have to solve the 2 raised to power 3, which is 2 raised to power 3 means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 8. So here we will write 8. 2 to the 4 and 4 to the 8. And plus 8 we will write now as it is. And minus, here we have 3 multiplied by and 37 minus 12 we will write now as it is. And here we will give the reference 2 raised to power 3 equals to 8. Now move forward, we have to solve this bracket now because we have two terms. So 8 plus 8 equals to 16 and minus 3 multiplied by 37 minus 12 we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 8 plus 8 equals to 16. Now, step number, we have to solve this bracket now, bracket number 2. So we will multiply this 3 multiplied 37 minus 12 means basically we will minus both of them and get the answer is 25. And here we will give the reference 37 minus 12 equal to 25. Now, we have solved the bracket and also we have solved the exponent part inside the bracket. Now, we have to move forward to solve the division and multiplication. So, we will go left to right in our expression and find out which is coming first. So, here we have 3 multiplied by 25, which is minus 75. So, here we will give the reference 3 multiplied by 25 equals to 75. Now, we have two terms which we will subtract and get the answer is minus, because minus 59. Why minus? Minus is because we have minus sign with the 75. So that's why we will write minus 59. If you see the answer list, so answer A is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye.